Did you say Earthroamer LTi? Yeah, it's a quite popular expedition vehicle for adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, rugged design, and sustainable living features, it might grab your attention. And you might be wondering whether it's worth it or not to spend $1 million on it. So today, we are going to share our opinion on the Earthroamer LTi. First, we look at its design. It's huge. On paper, it weighs 17,000 pounds and measures 29 feet long, and we think parking the vehicle wouldn't be that easy with this one. Its body is constructed from vacuum-infused carbon fiber, which is lightweight and strong. It obviously gave a premium look, but the purpose of using carbon fiber actually wasn't served, which we'll talk about later in this video. Now, look at its frameless flush-mount glass windows. That totally adds a touch of elegance, and we could enjoy the surroundings from the inside. Another thing we like is the lighting setup, and you bet that makes it quite practical to drive during nighttime. As an expedition vehicle, it's designed to go where most vehicles can't. As we can see, it's got the Ford F550 chassis and a 6.7-liter turbocharged V8 engine under the hood. The big wide grille makes sense as the turbocharged engine needs proper cooling efficiency. It was chosen for its ruggedness and ability to handle even the most challenging terrain. And yeah, we were concerned about the ride as it's huge, but we didn't face any notable obstacles at all during our rough rides. It felt quite beefy and responsive. It can produce 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque, which seems just perfect to tow the LTi's 17,000 pound weight and provide a smooth off-road ride. The transmission it has is a 10-speed automatic transmission, coupled with 4-wheel drive and a locking rear differential, so it felt way more stable, even on the toughest trails. This combination of power, torque, and drivetrain gave us a smooth ride. What else we liked about this is that it has self-inflating tires. Although we didn't face any flat tire issues, but we did get stuck during one of our overlanding trips. And yeah, the winch proved to be quite reliable that day. It did struggle, but was able to bring out the loaded vehicle pretty nicely. We also liked its standard 40-inch curved LED light bar, driving lights, fog lights, and high-mounted rear brake lights. These lights were like a savior during our nighttime adventures. Furthermore, while the Earthroamer LTi excels in off-road capability, the interior is also a masterpiece of design, offering all the amenities we expected in a high-end RV. We found the living area to be carefully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. Additionally, it features a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, and sink, allowing us to prepare gourmet meals even in the most remote locations. The plates, glasses, and utensils were tightly secured, which explains why not a single drawer fell open during our rough driving. Its dinette area was a comfortable place to dine and work as well. Unlike the other RVs, it has large windows, so we enjoyed the views or surroundings right from this van. Also, the sleeping accommodations were no less impressive. The bed was huge as we expected. Its bed and convertible dinette bed are perfect for 4 people to share. We loved the interior space, as it was tastefully finished with premium materials, including leather upholstery and hardwood cabinetry. The hardwood cabinets surely look great, but ultimately they defeat the purpose of the carbon fiber body. Carbon fiber is used to reduce weight, but adding wooden furnishing and cabinets definitely adds extra weight. For us, one of the key advantages of this vehicle was its ability to live off the grid for extended periods. We didn't face any significant issues with it. It has a solar power system which includes roof-mounted solar panels and an 11.0 kilowatt lithium-ion battery bank. This system provides ample power to run all the onboard appliances, including the air conditioning and heating systems. We used the microwave oven and other appliances, and the battery bank drained just 70%, which was pretty good. And the best part was that we could easily monitor the battery capacity, water level, and other security features through its digital display. It also features a fresh water tank with a capacity of up to 100 gallons, so without any worry, we used the water for drinking, cooking, and showering during our adventures. It had a sophisticated water filtration system as well, so wherever we went, we didn't have to worry about fresh water. Lastly, we think Earthroamer takes sustainability seriously, and it's evident in the design and construction of the LTi. The use of lightweight and recyclable materials reduces the vehicle's carbon footprint. Additionally, the solar power system reduces the reliance on fossil fuels, making it an eco-friendly option for overland travel. However, it would be better if there were any customizable options available, like color, interior, or adding any other features. And due to its huge size, we face some restrictions on regulations in certain areas. Despite the use of carbon fiber, it is still heavy, but the wooden furnishings and 100 gallons of fresh water are not light either. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy the Earthroamer LTi comes down to what you're looking for in an RV. If you want the most luxurious and capable off-road vehicle on the market, then the Earthroamer LTi is a good option. However, if you are looking for a more affordable option or something that is easier to drive and maintain, then there are other RVs that may be a better fit. Let us know whether you buy it or not, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.